The accompanies a 6.43-inch touchscreen show with a determination of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels. Vivo X20 is controlled by 1.8 GHz octa-center Snapdragon 660 processor and it accompanies 4 GB of Smash. The telephone packs 64 GB in inner stockpiling that can be extended up to 256 GB by means of a microSD card. To the extent the cameras are concerned, the Vivo X20 packs a 12-megapixel essential camera on the back and a 12-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Vivo X20 runs Android 7.1.1 and is fueled by a 3245mAh non-removable battery. It quantifies 155.85 by 75.15 by 7.20, stature x width x thickness, and weigh 159.00 grams.